Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Anubhuti and I love to talk about everything beauty related. I love to do product reviews and I love to get use out of my makeup collection more efficiently. So if those are the things you are interested in, please make sure to subscribe before jumping into today's video. I'm here with Graveyard Project Pan Finale. I am probably 2 months too late, but I did want to do the finale. I did not want to leave it hanging because this is my first time doing the Graveyard Project Pan. It was supposed to run from 30th of April till 31st of October, and then the finale was supposed to go live on 31st of October, which I did not manage to do because I was traveling at that time. But I did the first check-in in between somewhere. So basically, Graveyard Project Pan is created by Emily and Max around like Halloween theme. There are two categories: collecting cobweb and resurrection category. So resurrection category, you choose products that has been part of some project already and then you did not meet your goal on it, so you resurrect them again in this project and assign your goal. Collecting cobwebs are the products that are not getting used in your collection for really long time, and collecting cobwebs, of course. So I was working on three products in each category. For the first check-in, I had one rollout in each category, and then I'm going to talk about the final rollout, the final status. So the product, let's talk about the resurrection category first. So then first I want to talk about is my Colourpop All I See is Magic palette. This is my first ever Colourpop palette, along with yes please, yeah. So I love the color story. I have kind of slightly rearranged it, but I love the color story here. I love the shadows here, the quality here. And then goal was to use this shade, try to hit pan on this shade as much as possible, and overall do no pan left behind and one pan. I did not manage to hit my goal of panning one shade. I'm pretty close on this one, but still I did not manage to hit my goal to hit pan. But I did manage to do no pan left behind on this one. And this shade in particular, I think I've reached for it every time. Yeah, so I did use this palette 20 times and I did dip into the shade 20 times, but I did not hit my goal. I do have trouble hitting pans in eyeshadows. I do not hit easy pans. So yeah, goal not met on this one. Second product that has been part of the project was Benefit Hoola, and then the goal was to hit pan or till end of the project. I did manage to hit pan on this one. I repressed it again and I did use it till end of the project. It's pretty thin. I did repress it. It is pretty thin, and I think this is going to be my focus for next year. But yes, I did manage to hit my goal on this one. I think in total 20 uses I managed to hit my goal on this one. Then for the last roll in last check-in was Ofra lipstick set, and the goal was to use it till end of the project or finish it. And I did finish all the minis. There were 4 mini lipsticks and I did finish it, and I have thrown it because I took it with me to India and I used it up there and I threw it in the trash. So yeah, we have the rollout. Now in this let's talk about the collecting cobwebs category. So we had 3 products in that. First was custom cream blush. This is from the starting of the project, and then the goal was to use it 10 times, and I did manage to use it 8 times, so 2 times shorter. This is kind of a deeper shade. This is basically all the lipsticks that did not get used up. Like I dug out the lipsticks and then I made the blush. So this is a custom cream blush. That's why the shade is pretty, but it's pretty deep, you see. So yeah, I did use it 8 times, which is good enough for me, but not a rollout, not a goal matte. Then we had Colourpop Lippy Stix in the shade Cherry Bomb, and this was the lipstick. This is how it looks like. This is pretty bright shade. I did manage, the goal was to again use it 10 times, and I did use it I think 8 times. So yeah, 2 times shorter. This is not a color that I reach for often, so then this is also getting decluttered from my collection. Then last update, we had one roll in. That was my Kiko sparkly eyeliner in the shade 03 Twinkling Black. And yeah, the goal was to use it 10 times, and then I have used it total 5 times. So not a goal mat, but I could get some use out of it, so I'm happy with this one. Apart from these products, there were 2 that were rollouts in my first update, were Natasha Denona blush glow duo that I was supposed to reach 10 times, and I did reach for it, I think 16 times. And then Kiko MAC Kinkster lipstick that I was supposed to use 10 times, I did reach for it 15 times in total. So overall, out of 8 products, I did manage to hit my goal on 4 of them, and 4 of them I did not manage to go. I was quite close, but not enough. So I think 50% success. But anyways, the goal is to get you out of my makeup collection, and I was able to do it. So yeah, I'm super happy. I would call it successful. I would definitely love to participate in this project again next year if Emily brings it back. But yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like it, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Till next time, have a good day, good night, depending on wherever you are, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.